Welcome guys to another episode of Rex to Riches, where two 21-year-olds are out here in Thailand, in Koh Samui, building a business from scratch while doing the 75 hard challenge at the moment. And all that while documenting our path, taking you guys with us. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, subscribe to our channel, check out our Instagrams and start creating your own path. Since we decided to push more on social media, it's so time consuming at the moment and I'm just sitting and editing the whole day. And Felix is caring about our other projects, and I'm really blessed to have this facility here and the opportunity to jump in between the work into the ice bath. We're privileged, we're blessed, and I love it.
Flying down Prospect Park West, split head in my chest. Blown dope, he look like Shenlong. I transfer me some money I can spend on M. Bison on the boss.
I already did my rope skipping in the morning and Felix has to do it now because he had a call in the morning due to different time zones with the guy from America as well. Therefore he has to do it now in the burning sun of Samui. Later I will be meeting up with a friend of us who invited me to join her YouTube channel. If I wouldn't be here and put myself out there on social media, I would never get like the opportunities to work with other people together. And also it's very inspiring for me to see that people see you and see you as an interesting person to be featured in their videos. You know, since we're human beings, it is just a normal craving to get the attention. Therefore I'm happy to get such a feedback. Since then Felix does this rope skipping, featured on the 75 hard video.
What I really like about Thailand is that we can go out every day, eat outside, don't have to cook every time. It saves so much time, especially right now because we work so much and we have to train 2 times a day. And it's always delicious and you always get something different. For me personally, I will always order the same, but Martin has something different every time. I could barely understand him because of his dialect.
See the lads been chilling in the tea, running, yeah. The weekday dragons, the fees been slapping, the pats stay stacking, the cats keep catting. Late night grind, get the money, you'll steal.
We just got recommended this place. We had a problem because Thai food is not that healthy. We can't eat a pad kra pao every day. So we got recommended this place. It's like meal prep Samui and you can get some healthy food here.
The coupe broke down, gotta book me a ride, that'll give me back size. Cause I'm falling off time, gotta build up my slang, get back to the...
I can't go that long anymore. Got weak.
Cheese, yeah. Sorry about coming on time. Late night putting in time. Late night drinking with slime. Look at this money on mine.
This is the reality of cooking with one plate. Hey, look at this mess. It's insane. And also I have to re-warm everything twice. Soon there will be 4 or 6 plates to cook with. Therefore it's fine for now. But after the 75 hard, it's over with cooking like this, I swear.